back to our phonics class, and this is period 10. I am teacher Louise.
And my name is Teacher Nook. Okay, before we start the class, I would like you to do the brain gym together. But this time, we will stretch. We will stretch. Okay, so show me your hands.
2 hands up.
And then hold your hands like this. กำมือแบบนี้นะคะ เอาฝ่ามือเข้าหากันนะคะ วางไว้ติดกับหน้าอกของเด็กๆนะคะ เสร็จแล้วเราจะค่อยๆพลิกมือลงนะคะ แล้วก็ยืดไปด้านหน้า พยายามทำให้เป็นวงกลมนะคะดูซิยืดตัว จะรู้สึกตึงตรงช่วงไหล่นะคะ จะยืดกันหน่อยand then come back โอเค พร้อมหรือยังคะ10 ครั้งนะคะ10 times and we will count together
Oh, let's count together from numbers 1 to 10, teacher?
Yes, 1 to
Okay.
10 before let's put your hand together like this and then 1 2 3 go 1 and then come back again 2
3 4
ยืดให้ตึงๆเลยนะคะกลับมา 5 หายใจเข้าลึกๆนะคะ 6
Oh, 4 more
7 8 then 2 more 9 ยืดตึงๆเลย and then the last time 10 ตึงๆเลยค้างไว้ โอเค
Okay, good job. Okay, ready? They're now ready to listen.
Okay.
All right, so once again, today we will be learning our new sound, which is letter. What can you see here on the board? It's letter. E. What letter can you see here on the board? Letter E. Now, listen very carefully. The sound of E is eh, eh, eh. Okay? Eh, eh. And the action for the eh sound is eh, eh, eh. So you imagine that you're holding an egg, and then you will crack the egg. Okay? Crack the egg. So eh, eh, eh. Everybody, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, go. Eh, eh, eh. Oh, very good. Let's do it again. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Eh, eh, eh. Very good. So what is the sound of this letter? Eh. And what is this letter? E. But the sound is eh. Good job. Okay. So we will learn the song. Okay. So this time, this is the eh or letter E, but eh sound. Okay. Let's listen to the song first. Listen very carefully.
Eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, crack the egg like this.
One more time.
Eggs in the pan,
Eggs in the pan, crack the egg like this, Okay. All right, so this time let's sing all together. I want you to sing and do the action. But we will first learn the song, each word, okay? So there it goes. So repeat after teacher. Eh,
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 eh, eh, eh, eh, eh, eh. Good. Eggs in the pan.
eggs in the pan
Oh, you learned pan already. You know the word pan. You know this one already. So look at, this is mom. Okay, this is mom or mommy. Okay, she is crack. If I have an egg, I will crack the egg. So this is an egg. Okay, repeat after teacher. Egg.
egg
Egg.
egg
This is a pan. Pan. Repeat after teacher. Pan.
pan
Pan. Pan. So this is a pan, and mom is. What do you do with the pan? You cook eggs. You can cook eggs. Okay. Now let's read. Eggs
egg
in the pan.
in the pan
Eh. 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 One more. Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Eh. 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 Eggs in the pan. Eh. 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 Now listen very carefully. Crack.
crack
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 the egg
the egg
like this.
like this
Okay, so you crack the egg like this. And then what's important is you say the last one.
egg
Okay, let's say this one all together. 1, 2, 3, go. Egg. Okay, are you ready to sing the song?
yes.
Very good. Are you ready?
yes
Okay, let's sing the song. Eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, crack the egg like this. One more time, one more time. Eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, crack the egg like this. Very good. Okay, so before we go to our words this time, we will first do our listening to a story activity. Okay, so everyone, look at the big book. Look at the big, not yet, not yet. Put your hands first down first. Very good. So,
oh and teacher remember sit on the mat
oh, sit on the mat
sit
properly.
on the mat
Sit on
not
the mat.
sit on your leg
Oh, sit on the mat.
okay
At. Mat. Okay. So here we will be learning today or listening to a story about the sound. Okay? So let's look at the picture of the big book again and tell teacher what. Oh, there are a lot of things that you can see here in this picture. Okay? Nathan, what can you see? Egg. Okay? There are eggs. Okay? You can see eggs. So this is an egg. Repeat after teacher. Egg.
egg
Egg.
egg
Egg.
egg
Okay. Ooh, 1, 2, 3. And then there's a lot more inside. What is this? Basket. Very good. Basket. Repeat after teacher. Basket.
basket
Basket.
basket
The eggs are in the basket. The eggs are in the basket. Okay, next. What else? Hen. Very good. Repeat after teacher. Hen. 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 Ooh. Yes? An elephant. Ooh. Elephant. Repeat after teacher. Elephant. Okay, your turn. 1, 2, 3, go. Elephant. Okay, what else? Yes, Din? A mouse. Oh, Inky is back again. Oh, he's in the house of the boy. Okay, the boy. All right. So this is Inky again. Inky. Yes.
Snake.
Oh, the snake from the park, from the garden, is here again. Okay, repeat after teacher. Snake. Snake. Good job. Yes. Is there a cat? Yes, there's a cat. And a cow.
here
Oh, there's a car. Okay, sit down now, sit down. Okay, thank you. 1, 2, 3.
okay this time Q B
B. The bee is here. Outside the window. This is a window. And then, yes, spider.
again
Okay, there's a
the little
spider.
one.
And the bug as well is here. Bug. Okay, repeat after teacher. Bug.
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 Spider.
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 Cow.
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 Good job. Okay. Now,
Now
are you
it's
ready
time
to
for the
story? Okay, put your hands down
Okay,
now.
can you sit on the mat?
Sit on the mat properly. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, sit down now. Okay.
Okay, so today, Teacher Louise, the boy, this boy, his name is Ed,
Oh, Ed.
and he goes to stay on a farm. Okay, and listen to teacher.
So the house of Ted is in the farm. Okay, look. Why do you know it's a farm? Because you can see farm animals. Duck, hen,
Oh, and this one, teacher.
it's a
cow.
cow. So there's a cow. Very good. There's also a there are sheep. Okay. Next. So mom one day collects. So Ed goes out to the farm. In the morning when you hear the rooster like that.
Oh, again, teacher.
Like that. Oh, when you hear the rooster. So, oh, it's morning. Ed wakes up in the morning. Oh. And then, oh, Ed said, I have to go and pick the eggs from the barn, from the hen. Okay, so he gets his basket and then he walks towards the barn. Okay? So he collects, he picks up, what will he get? He will get some eggs. Okay, eggs.
Eggs.
He will get some eggs. Oh, a lot of eggs here. It's fresh, very fresh. There you can see feathers. Okay, there are feathers. Okay, together inside the basket. So it's very fresh. All right. So Ted went to the barn and collected the eggs. Okay, from the cow? Is it from the cow?
Oh, no.
Oh, from what animal? Hen.
Hen.
Okay, from the hen. Okay, so the eggs were from the hen. Okay.
This one, the hen.
Yes, so Ed collected and so he got plenty. Oh, it's heavy. Mom! When he went back home, Mom! I have plenty of eggs with me inside the basket.
And now I'm hungry.
Oh! So if Teacher Louise is Ed and Teacher Nook is Mom, and the name of the mom is Helen. Repeat after teacher. Helen.
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 Oh, so Teacher Louise, what is Teacher Louise's name? Ed.
Ed.
And Teacher Nook's name is? Helen.
Helen.
Oh, I got the eggs already. So, Mom, I have the eggs here. Can you cook? I'm so hungry. Can you cook for me?
Okay.
Oh.
And so that mom get the eggs from Ed, her son. Right? And then she goes to the kitchen.
Okay, repeat after teacher. Oh, kitchen.
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 Oh, and what did she do, Teacher Nook? She
She
cracked the egg and cooked it in the pan. Okay. Mom, I want 3 eggs. I'm so hungry.
Okay, let's try. 1, 2,
2,
3,
3.
go. 1,
2, 3.
3.
Let's do that one again, Teacher Nook, okay?
Okay.
Mom, I want 3 eggs. I'm so
Okay,
hungry, Mom.
let's try.
1, 2, 3, go.
1,
2,
3. Okay,
Oh.
3 eggs in the pan
Yes.
already.
Oh, thank you so much, Mom. Oh,
Ah.
and then Ed ate the eggs. Oh, I'm so full already. Voice changed.
Yeah.
I'm so full already. Okay. All right. So Ed was so happy. Okay, so he will go to school after.
Okay.
Okay, so that is the story about What is the story about? About the boy named Ed. So the boy's name is Ed. Can you remember every morning when he hears the rooster like that? What will he get? Eggs. And put it inside the basket. And then mom will help him cook the eggs. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
good job.
So now, good job. Now it's time to learn some words that starts. First, we will learn words that starts with the letter E. Okay, sound. But you notice that there are also the S sound rather is in between two letters. So we will learn that one as well. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so the first one, this is an egg. Repeat after teacher. An egg.
An egg.
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 There are how many eggs? Two eggs.
eggs.
Okay, I can see 2 eggs in this picture. Okay, repeat after teacher. Egg.
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 Okay, very good. And then next one you have elephant. Okay, not elephant. Okay, it's
Yes.
elephant.
Elephant.
Okay, elephant.
Elephant.
Okay, elephant. Oh, who has seen a real elephant? Wow. Okay, I have seen a real elephant too.
Yes.
Oh, Teacher Nook, there is an action for the elephant. Okay, so I will teach you an action for an elephant animal. Okay, so it goes, so you put your arms like this and hold your ear like this. Okay, and then you will swing the trunk. Pawoo. Okay, say pawoo. Very good. Again, 1, 2, 3, go. Pawoo. Okay, so the elephant will do pawoo. Okay, up. 1, 2. Ready now. 1, 2, 3. Up. Shh. Who's ready? Who's ready? S-H. S-H. 1, 2, 3. Good. Okay, so let's read. Elephant.
Elephant.
Okay, so as you can see here, the word or the letter E or S sound is in the beginning or the beginning initial sound of the
Number
word.
one, right?
Number 1. Look, number 1, and then the rest of the letters are here. Okay, also, if you can see egg also, it's the number 1 word. Here, number 1. And then 2 more letters. But I want you to look at carefully this word. Look at it. Oh, let's read. Man.
Man.
But this one is it sounds also man. So man. Okay? As you can see here, it's in between. So my head is in between between my 2 hands. So between. My head is between my 2 hands. Okay? So man. Okay? So you can hear the S sound in the middle. Okay? Or you can hear it here, the
Number
beginning,
one.
number 1 word or letter. Okay? Sound. Right. Let's read first. Man.
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 So these are men. Okay. Next, you have the pen. So pen. 1, 2, 3, go. Pen. Let's do that one again. Pen. 1, 2, 3, go. Pen. So this is a picture of a pen. And Teacher Nook, we will do the action for pen. Okay, so pen goes like this. Okay, so you write. It's like writing on a notebook. Okay, a pen. All right. Let's read the word. Pen.
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 Okay, next. Hen.
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 Okay, so letter E or S sound is here, number 2 already. Okay, not number 1. Not number 1 letter. Okay, so let's read. Hen.
Hen.
This is a hand. Oh, we can get the what? The egg. Okay, now we can do the action for the hen. Like this, okay? Hen. Like that. Okay, let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, go. Very good. Okay.
Many animals.
Yes. All right. So let's read all the words that we have learned with the sound. Okay. Starting with the initial sound e. Egg. 1, 2, 3, go. Egg. Again, I can't hear you. I want to hear you. 1, 2, 3, go. Egg. And then elephant. Oh, not elephant. Elephant.
Elephant.
Again, 1, 2, 3, go. Elephant. Elephant. 1, 2, 3, go. Elephant.
Good job.
Egg. Okay, next. Man. One more time. Man. Let's do it again.
Man.
And then pen. Pen.
Pen.
And hand.
Hand.
Okay, this time I want you to read it. I want to listen to you. Okay, teacher wants to listen to you, and teacher will not say anything. I want you to say the word. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Man.
Again, elephant. Elephant. Good job. So this time let's try to do the action, teacher Nu.
Okay.
Okay, what is the action for the word egg? Egg.
How you crack your egg.
Okay,
The
so
egg.
the egg. What about hen? What about hen? Okay. What about elephant? Okay. And what about pen? Pen? All right. Excellent.
Okay.
So we will just review the words here on this board. Okay, listen. Oh, 1, 2, 3.
Up.
Oh, ready now. Who's ready? Okay. So teacher has some flashcards here, and let's review the word, okay? This time, no, you cannot see the words, but just pictures, okay? So I want to try and check if you can remember, okay? And teacher will close this one. All right. Okay. So what picture is this? What about this? Very good. And what about this one? Huh? And this one? Hen. And what about this?
Actually,
And-
there have to be two.
Yeah, there's 2. Okay, so man. If it's 1, you say man, but there's supposed to be 2. Man. And what about this? 10. Okay, so teacher will just show you the picture and tell me what picture can you see. Okay, let's try some magic ink. Okay, what picture is that? It's an elephant, and let's check if it's an elephant. Yes, it is an elephant. Let's read. Elephant. Okay, what about this one? What's that? Egg. Let's check if it's egg. Very good. Egg. Okay, next. What's that? Huh? It's a hen. Okay, so let's check. Okay, let's read the word. Okay, hen. Hen. Repeat after teacher. Hen. Great. And I think there's the last one. Okay, what is that? Pen. Let's check if it's pen. Very good. Pen. 1, 2, 3, go. Pen. So this is a pen.
Oh, now it's time for the game,
Yes, teacher.
So now teacher has the words here, the picture. All right? And teacher will show you.
Oh, sit down, sit down.
But it's the secret.
Oh.
เป็นความลับนะคะ เราจะไม่ให้เพื่อนรู้ว่าคำศัพท์นั้นรูปภาพนั้นคือคำว่าอะไร แล้วเดี๋ยวเราจะลองทำท่าดูซิเพื่อนๆในห้องนะคะแล้วก็เพื่อนๆทางบ้านเนี่ยจะสามารถทายได้ไหมว่าคำศัพท์ที่มีอยู่ตรงเนี้ยที่ถืออยู่เนี้ยเป็นคำว่าอะไรจำได้ไหมทุกคำศัพท์มีท่าทางอยู่นะคะที่ที่เชิญสอนไปเมื่อกี้เดี๋ยวจะดูนะว่าเด็กๆจะจำคำศัพท์พร้อมกับท่าทางได้ไหมจำได้ไหมคะว่าตัว e เนี่ยบางคำอยู่ข้างหน้าสุดเช่นเอกแต่บางคำอยู่ตรงกลางเราจะได้ยินเสียงตัว e อยู่ตรงกลางนะคะเช่นpen alright are you ready are you ready okay maybe some volunteer will come and then let's the friend guess what word is it what picture actually
alright so let me check who can come here 1 2 and 3 I think Pudit is ready teacher
okay
Pudit come here look at your friends okay quiet
if you know the word you raise your hand and try to answer Pudit are you ready yes and then teacher will say 1 2 3 action so
What
you do
is
the
it? You do
action
the
alright okay
action.
1 2 3 action
what is it hand very good what is it it's a hand very
let's check
good okay
oh good job
It's a
it's a
hand.
hand
okay, thank you good
okay,
job Pudit,
thank
sit
you.
down.
Sit
next
down.
next 1 2 and 3 no just
Teacher Luis will choose
a girl this time I want let's call hug come here okay so hug
1
yes okay 1 2 3 go what is it yes what's that
what is it
10 very good what is this one 10 good
let's
job.
check oh yes
10.
10 so her show her fingers and how many fingers do you have 10 let's count together
let's count
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 fingers
more
oh let's give her a 10 finger
Oh.
1 2 3 go
Ooh, good job okay next oh who's ready now 1 2 and 3 I think Kun Kao is ready come here
let's see
oh not yet 1 2 3 go pen okay very good
let's check
it's
yes,
a pen repeat after teacher it's a pen
it's a pen
very good it's a pen
2 more teacher
2 more 1 2 and 3 Asi is ready come here okay are you ready yes are you ready okay let's try like this okay 1 2 3 go what's that oh everybody what is it what is it good job okay it's
Yes.
an egg repeat after teacher egg
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 thank you
the last one this time will be boy teacher
oh boy can you please choose the lucky boy teacher who's ready 1 2 3
oh this time will be Jerry oh not yet
not yet teacher needs to show you the picture okay you ready are you ready yes okay 1 2, 3. Everybody, what is it? Elephant. Okay.
Good job.
Let's look at the picture. Repeat after teacher.
air
Wait, repeat after teacher.
air
Elephant.
elephant
Elephant.
elephant not
Very-
11
No, not 11.
No.
Elephant.
elephant
Okay.
good job
Very good.
very good today oh
Okay. So, listen first. Our next activity is called Paper Plates Phonics. Okay. So we made this with the materials of this activity are 2 paper plates, and you need the button fastener. So you put a hole and put the 2 plates together, and then you cut. It's shaped like a triangle. So first, what we did was to fold the paper plate into 4 sections. Okay, so it's up to you as a teacher. You can make 8 or you can make 4. So in here we have 2 pictures, but sometimes you can do pictures and then you can put a blank space here and then let them write the word. Or you can have 2 like this and let them write the word below each picture. Okay? So it's quite easy and affordable material. Okay? So you can, when you turn it, you will see pictures there. And these are the pictures that we have learned in this period.
โอเค กิจกรรมนี้นะคะ เดี๋ยวเราจะมีจานกระดาษนะคะ เตรียมขึ้นมา แล้วก็ในจานกระดาษเนี่ยจะแบ่งออกเป็น 4 ส่วนนะคะ วิธีแบ่งก็ง่ายๆ พับเป็น 4 ส่วนจะเห็นนะคะ 1 2 3 4 นะคะ like the pizza เสร็จแล้วเนี่ยเราก็จะติดรูปภาพขีดตรงกลางแบ่งพื้นที่นะคะให้ชัดเจนติดรูปภาพไปด้านบนนะคะแล้วก็ด้านล่างตรงนี้พอลองหมุนนะคะอีกด้านหนึ่งจะมีกระดาษที่พับเป็นรูปสามเหลี่ยมนะคะด้านนี้กับด้านนี้เจาะลงตรงกลางแล้วก็จะสามารถหมุนได้นะคะก็จะเห็นคำศัพท์ทั้ง4คำนะคะด้านซ้ายด้านขวาด้านบนและด้านล่างนะคะกิจกรรมนี้เนี่ยเดี๋ยวเด็กๆนะคะจะใช้สีน้ำเงินและสีแดงนะคะใช้สีไม้2 สีน้ำเงินและแดงนะคะทำไมเราถึงต้องใช้2 สีนะคะสีแดงใช้เขียนตัว e เพื่อให้เห็นว่าตัว e เนี่ยอาจจะอยู่เมื่อกี้ที่ทิเชอร์บอกนะคะตรงตัวตำแหน่งแรกของคำเช่นเอe g g เอเกิดเอหรือว่าตัว e เนี่ยลองหมุนไปนะคะตัว e เนี่ยอาจจะอยู่ตำแหน่งตรงกลางของคำเช่น pen pen ให้เด็กๆใช้สีแดงเขียนตัว e จะได้สังเกตได้ว่าอ๋อตัว e นะอยู่ตรงกลางอ๋อตัว e นะอยู่ตัวแรกนะคะนอกนั้นตัวอื่นๆเราจะใช้สีน้ำเงินนะคะเขียนเพื่อให้เห็นความแตกต่างนะคะถ้าอาจจะใช้เวลาในการทำตรงนี้นะคะที่ปิดตรงนี้เนี่ยสามเหลี่ยมตรงนี้เราสามารถจะทำได้ง่ายๆก็คือพับกระดาษเปลี่ยนพื้นที่นะคะจากสมุดที่โรงเรียนเนี่ยเป็นกระดาษแผ่นกระดาษจานกระดาษนะคะแล้วก็มีคำศัพท์ให้เด็กๆให้เด็กๆวาดรูปก็ได้นะคะวาดรูปแล้วก็เขียนคำศัพท์นะคะวาดรูปเขียนคำศัพท์แต่ว่าอย่าลืมว่าตัว e ตัวที่ต้องการเน้นเราจะใช้สีแดงนะคะและตัวอื่นๆเราจะใช้สีที่แตกต่างกันนะคะเด็กๆพร้อมหรือยังคะพร้อมแล้วค่ะโอเคเดี๋ยวเราจะไปที่โต๊ะแล้วก็เตรียมพร้อมในการทำงานนะคะ
Okay, so teacher will be giving out this phonics paper plates, and I want you to prepare your blue and red colored pencils. Okay, so if you see and you look at, you can also check the board. Okay, if you see that the picture has the initial sound e here or you will write it in red. If you see it like this, the picture is like, for example, here pen, and sound, you can find it in the middle. You will use blue. Okay? But if it's number 1 letter or the word, you will write it in red and copy the rest. Now, when you receive this one, for example, what picture is this? Elephant. Should I write it in red or blue? Red. Very good. So the student should write it in, you should write it in red, colored pencil, and then write the word here. You can check on the board, okay? Elephant. Just look at the picture. What about this one? Look. What about this one? What picture is this? What picture is it? Hen. Very good. So should I write it in red or blue? Blue, because you can see the letter E between 2 letters. Okay? So are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so let's do the activity. It's there already. It's there already.
เด็กๆอย่าลืมนะคะตัว E ขอเป็นสีแดงนะคะและตัวอักษรตัวอื่นขอเป็นสีน้ำเงินนะคะลงมือทำถ้าไม่แน่ใจดูคำตอบอีกทีบนกระดานนะคะบนบอร์ดของเรานะคะ
Yes, you can color. Right, correct color. So Din has already, look, Din has already written the word egg, and he has written the letter E or in red because, as you can see there on the board, egg starts with the initial sound I know you can do it, and I know you can do a good job, okay? So just try and do your best to learn. Okay?
like this one แบบนี้นะคะตัว E สีแดง แล้วก็เกิดสีน้ำเงิน blue นะคะ and เกิดแบบนี้นะคะ
Very good.
เวลาที่เด็กๆเขียนคำศัพท์แล้วหยิบสีแดงขึ้นมาเนี่ยเขาก็จะมีความสังเกตเห็นว่าเสียงนี้เป็นเสียงที่พิเศษที่เราต้องการจะเน้นไปนะคะโดยใช้สีที่พิเศษที่เห็นชัดเจนนะคะต่างจากตัวอักษรตัวอื่นที่อยู่ในคำนะคะ
That's correct. Okay. You can also write your name here, like my name is, the student wrote here, Din. Okay, so you can write your name. My name is, and then your name.
You can draw very good job
Good job, Moyim. You're finished. Okay, I hope you're almost finished too. There are how many words were you able to write? There are 4. Okay, 4 words. We have elephant, we have egg, pen, and hen. Okay?
Okay, now almost time, right,
Yes, it's
teacher?
almost time. And I know they're almost finished also,
Yes.
teacher. Okay, so time is up. If you're finished, please just sit down and pass your work or give your work to teacher. Okay?
Okay, can you pass
Thank you.
it?
Yes, it's okay. Very good. That's right. Thank you. Can I have your work? Good job. Oh, we can give it to you. Yes.
Okay,
Thank
okay.
you.
Later. Very good. Okay, let's
Okay.
reveal.
So,
Sit down, please. Sit down.
ready now? Sit down properly now. Almost finished. Sit down properly now. Okay. Go back to your seat. All right. S-H. Shh. Oh, very good here. This group. S-H. C-H. S-H. Shh. S-H. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So we will review all the words that we have learned with the sound. What is the sound that we have learned in this period? Can we do the action for the letter E? Let's do it 3 times, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. And what is the letter again? It's letter E. It's letter E. Let's just quickly review the words that we have learned. I will show you the flashcards and then you tell me what is it. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
All right, very good. He's ready. Okay, so what picture is this? Hen. Repeat after teacher. Hen.
Hen.
And then? 10. Again? 10. 10. And then what's this? Pen. Repeat after teacher. 10. Sorry, pen.
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 Okay, next we have, what's this? Egg. Very good. Egg.
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 Eggs.
Eggs.
Okay, there are two, so you say eggs.
Eggs.
Good. Next we have, very good, elephant.
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 Okay, and then you have men. Men. Okay, men, they are supposed to be two men. All right? Okay, so thank you everyone.
Thank you, teacher. Louis and teacher. No.
You're welcome. Say goodbye to our friends.
Goodbye.
Bye.